touch mine.
Welcome everybody to another video where today I'll be doing a £500 PC build, so let's get into it. So starting with the CPU, we are going with the i5 4460 3.2 GHz processor, which is a quad-core processor and it'll handle all the latest games at 1080p at 60 frames per second. So next we've got the MSI HAC1M-P33 motherboard, which is a micro ATX motherboard and is a really good budget motherboard because we're not gonna, it doesn't have too many ports, but it's good for £35. So for the RAM we are going with 16GB, two 8GB sticks. These are in two separate kits by the way, because it's one 8GB stick. 1600 MHz DDR3, which is only £27 a stick, which is amazing for that price. So yeah, 16GB of that, and you might be thinking 16GB in a £500 build, it's like, is that a bit too much? But I mean, we can fit it in, so we're going with it. So the hard drive we're using, no SSD, just a hard drive. We can't really fit an SSD in the space of £500, so I mean, by all means, if you can go with, oh, just crack my finger. If you can go with, if you prefer a 128GB SSD, by all means go for that, just because that's going to be faster storage. But for the mass storage, if you want that, we're going with the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive, which is a 3.5-inch hard drive, and I mean, it's got all the storage you need for all your games. So for the video card, we're going with the zotac GeForce GTX 750 Ti, which is an amazing card for, I think, it's on screen right now, £85. So yeah, £85 for a 750 Ti, which will run all the latest games paired with the i5 4460, because it's just a great budget card overall. So 750 Ti, the one to go with. So housing all these components are is the thermaltake BL8000, so 8000, and then a 1, so not 8001, 8001 W2Z ATX mid-tower case, which will fit all of your components, including the power supply. And speaking of the power supply, we were going with the Corsair Builder 430W 80 plus bronze certified, I think. Let's check. Yep, on bronze certified 80x power supply, which will power the build no problem. It only needs around 300 watts, so yeah, this will work fine. So finally, for the operating system, which does come in with the £500 price tag, is the Windows 8.1, which when you get that, you can easily upgrade to Windows 10, so Windows 8.1 is a great pickup for around about £50. So that will do it for this video. If you did enjoy it, leave a like, comment down below what you think of the build, and I mean, I'm surprised I fit 16GB of RAM in this, but I mean, you can achieve that by spending your life on PC Paprika. But anyway, that'll be the end of the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see all you in the next video.